Now let's solve another trigonometric problem, that is tan squared theta negative 1 plus root over of 3 multiplied by tan theta positive tan root 3 is equal 0. Here tan squared theta negative 1 plus root 3 times of tan theta plus root 3 is equal to, now if we multiply tan theta with the preceding expression, then we get tan squared theta negative tan theta negative root 3 times of tan theta positive tan theta is equal 0. Or we can write it like, if we get tan theta as common from these two terms, then we get tan theta would be negative 1 and root 3 as common from these two terms, we get negative root 3 times of tan theta negative 1 is equal 0. Now from this expression, if we get tan theta negative 1 as common, then we get tan theta negative 1 multiplied by tan theta negative root 3 is equal 0. We know that if two terms multiplication result is 0, then one of them must be 0. That's why tan theta negative 1 is equal 0, or tan theta negative root 3 is equal 0, or tan theta is equal 1, or we can write it like tan theta is equal tan 45 degrees. It's because of, we know the value of tan 45 is equal 1. So theta is equal 45 degrees. If we go through the another side, then we take, or tan theta is equal root over of 3, or we can write it like tan theta is equal tan of 60 degrees. It's because of tan 60 degrees is equal root 3. So tan theta, so the theta would be 60 degrees. Here we got two values, that is theta is equal 45 degree or 60 degrees. Thanks for watching the video.